Oh God, you bless me with so much good food. This is Paneer Matar. Enjoy this recipe. We need butter, onions, tomatoes, green chilies, paneer for this recipe. We will grind two onions to make a paste like this. We will also grind two tomatoes, small tomatoes, and create a puree like this. Now we will finely chop an onion to saute. We will take 2 tablespoons of oil, and now we'll add some spices such as these 3 cloves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 green cardamom, and then fry them well a little bit. Now we will add the fine chopped onions. We will saute them till they change its color. They need to be golden brown. Keep frying on high flame, medium to high flame till they change its color like this. You can see that the onions have changed its color. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Flame is on medium. Cook the ginger garlic paste till the raw flavor is gone. Now I am adding the onion paste that we just prepared. Again keep cooking this on medium flame and stirring well. Now we will add the green mutter. Mix it well with the rest. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. You can adjust the salt according to your preference. Add half a teaspoon of haldi also, turmeric. And I'll keep mixing it. And now I'll cover it for some time. Cook on low to medium flame and then cover it so that it does not burn. And then now it's cooked. I will add 1 cup of water to make the gravy. You will see that it has suddenly become dark. We have lost power. Now I am adding the tomato puree that we just prepared and mix it well with the rest. The electricity is back. Now I add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of dhaniya powder, and mix the whole thing well with the dry spices. Now I'll add a bit more water to make the gravy a bit more liquidy, and I'll keep stirring so that it does not burn at the bottom. Once the oil starts separating from the sides, we'll add the paneer. When the oil separates, it means the curry is done. Now I will add a small bit of garam masala, 1/4 a teaspoon, and then I'll mix it well. Now the gravy is done. Just garnish with 2 green chillies split and some chopped coriander leaves. It's finally done. Enjoy this with some soft rotis. That's it. Matar paneer with rotis. Watch me enjoying this now. Let's try. The recipe comes under 3 minutes, so watch this and make it at home. Very nice. Comment below if paneer is your favorite. And if you have any request, you can comment below, and then in my next video I'll try and do that.